and the sweet wind did gently kiss the trees, and that he made no noise. And in such a night, Troilus methinks mounted the Trojan walls, and sighed his soul toward the Grecian tents where Cressid lay that night.
In such a night,
No.
Thisbe, beautifully o'er trip to do, and saw the lion shall away himself, and ran dismayed away.
In such a night stood Dido with a willow in her hand upon the wild sea banks, and laughed her love to come again to Cath.
In such a night, Medea, fucking Medea.
Gathered the enchanted herbs that did renew all peace soul.
In such a night did Jessica steal from the wealthy Jew, and with an unthriftful love run from Venice as far as Belmont.
In such a night did young Lorenzo swear he loved her well, feeling her soul with many vows of faith and ne'er a true one.
In such a night did pretty Jessica, like a little shrew, slander her love, and he forgave it her.
And that night you did nobody come.
But hark, I hear the footing of a man.
Stop!
Who comes so fast in silence of the night? A friend. A friend? What friend?
I bring word how mistress will before the break of day be here at Belmont. She does stray about by holy crosses where she kneels and prays for happy wedlock hours.
Oh, what? Who comes with her?
None but her holy hermit and her maid. I pray you, is my master yet returned?
No, he's not. Nor we have not heard from him. But, go in, I pray thee, Jessica, and ceremoniously let us welcome Mistress back to this house. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Who calls?
Sorry, did you see Master Lorenzo? Master Lorenzo told us.
Leave hollering, man, here.
Well, where?
Here!
Tell him there's a post come from your master with his arm full of good news. He'll be here in the morning.
Sweet soul, let's in, and there expect their coming. Yet no matter, why should we go in? But, my friend Anio, signify, I pray you, within the house your mistress is at hand, and bring your music forth into the air. How sweet the moonlight sleeps upon this bank. Here will we sit, and let the sounds of music creep in our ears. Soft stillness in the night becoming the touches of sweet harmony. Sit, Jessica. Look how the floor of heaven is thick inlaid with patines of bright gold. There's not the smallest orb which thou beholds, but in his motion, like an angel, sings, still choiring to the young-eyed cherubims. Such harmony is in immortal souls. But whilst this muddy vesture of decay doth grossly close it in, we cannot hear it. Come out and wake Diana with a hymn. With sweetest touches pierce your mistress ear and draw her home with music.
I am never merry when I hear sweet music.
So the reason is your spirits are attentive. For do but note a wild and wanton herd, or race of youthful and unhandled cods, fetching mad bands, bellowing and neighing loud, is the hot condition of their blood. If they but hear perchance a trumpet sound, or any air of music touch their ears, you shall perceive them make a mutual stand. Their savage eyes turn to a modest gaze with the sweet power of music. And therefore, the poet did find that Orpheus drew trees, stones, and floods, since naught so stockish, hard, and full of rage. But music for a time doth change his nature. The man that hath no music in himself, nor is not moved with concord of sweet sounds, is fit for treasons, stratagems, and spoils. The motions of his spirit are dull as night, his affections as dark as Erebus. Let no such man be trusted. Mark the music.
That light you see is burning in my wall. How far that little